It's a girl.
That's a girl? Okay.
Perhaps it works better.
Excuse me, girl.
The other one is a girl too. They're both girls.
Yeah.
See, that's the
This is the answer.
Navajo National Monument.
Girls, hey? That's why you're not gonna bother me because you're a girl. You know that, huh? I know.
I will read it.
They used to live down in that. You can kind of see their houses down there in the it's not a cave, but where wind blew it out. It's like a half-mile walk down here, and we got to go back up now. Well, I don't want to go there.
Ain't nothing that way.
Nothing.
Right on
Are you having fun?
No.
Was some walk down there, wasn't it?
I'm telling the truth. No, I'm not having fun. I'm trying. Being relaxed.
I wanted to do this.
Yes, you did. It's okay though. It's the Indian. It's a national park.
Yeah,
Service.
national park.
It's a national park. And it also says, please be respectful. No shouting or yelling from this overlook. That's what the park says.
Yeah. We're just sitting here until we start to go back up, man. It's going to be a bitch.
They came and they saw and they left. You say something. I'm just afraid we're going to see snakes. In this spot, it should be snakes, but it's not. And I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, there's their dwellings down there. Yep, they lived down there and hunted in the woods. Yeah, it's like 1,000 feet down there. I bet it is like 1,000 feet. My phone? No. Yeah, it's Chris.
Click him on.
What's up, Chris? We're at the Navajo National Monument. Right now. Yeah.
What is that? What is that for?
The wind blew out this. It's almost like a big cave, you know, but not quite. And they put their dwellings in there and lived in the canyon. So we're right above it.
We're right above it. We're 1,000 feet up.
Like 1,000 years ago. All right, listen, I'll call you when we get up, all right? We get in the car again, all right?
Yeah, I'll be out anyway.
We're down at the monument right now. Bye.
He does not want to hang on. He got in. Where can I get that?
All right, I guess that's it. You ready to head back up? All right.